Upon succeeding the split testing of 20,000 plus sales, ClickBank University 2.0 is opening to affiliates for the first time. Why don't you become a CBU affiliate now? In order to become an affiliate, you'll have to enter your name, email address, and ClickBank number or name. Here's important information about the ClickBank University launch, everything you need to know at a glance: funnels, commission, front-end 75%, upsell number 1 50%, downsell number 1 50%, upsell number 2 50%, downsell number 2 50%. Recurring, 25%, $47 plus $47 per month recurring, 2 payments of $297, 7 payments of $97, $49 per month with 2 rebills. In a nutshell, in the ClickBank University, it is ClickBank's own high-converting offer to help customers find more success with our platform, as both an affiliate and as a vendor. The funnel, it's been battle-tested to bring in the highest profit per customer. Front end with ClickBank University, $47 per month, with 75% initial commission, and 25% recurring commission. Upsell number 1 with ClickBank Builder, 2 payments at $297 equals $594 total, with 50% commission. Downsell number 1 with ClickBank Builder, 7 payments at $97 equals $679 total, with a 50% commission. Upsell number 1 with advanced training is $97, with a 50% commission. Downsell number 1 with advanced training, 2 payments at $49 equals $98 total, with a 50% commission. They have worked hard to turn ClickBank University into one of the best training programs on the internet. It's packed with step-by-step videos, interviews with experts, incredible tools, and fantastic support. We know your customers are going to love it. They've also worked hard on the marketing to make sure you, as an affiliate, will see amazing results in your promotions. They've split-tested millions of dollars in transactions, fine-tuned their upsells, and are now ready to generate huge commissions for you, their affiliates. We hope you join us. The ClickBank University team. As an affiliate, you will have to agree to the following terms. You will follow all FTC guidelines for affiliate marketing. You will not engage in any negative marketing. This means no marketing, in which you use negative words in order to get attention, then promote the product with your affiliate link. You are not allowed to purchase the product under your own affiliate link. Affiliate sales must qualify as legitimate transactions based on our terms and conditions. Affiliates are not permitted to use search engine PPC, or other keyword-based advertising targeting ClickBank or ClickBank University as keywords. You need to add a disclaimer stating ClickBank University does not own or operate this website, and is not responsible for its contents. It is owned by, put your website name in here, an independent marketing affiliate. In no way may you copy our sales page, content such as our sales letter, video, or images, in an effort to imitate ClickBank University on your own site. The upsells and downsells might have sounded a little confusing, but once you sign up, you will have a better understanding. I'm trying to reach 1,000 views, and 4,000 watch time. I would love it if you can help me do that. Thanks so much. Now, for more information to this video, I will be paid a fee if you click the link in my description area, under this video. Again, I greatly appreciate this. So, click the link below for more details.